but we are raffling off additional tickets to anybody interested. $5 gets you, or $3. $5 gets you 3 tickets. 3 for 5. So 3 tickets for $5. There's quite a few stuff over there. We got a Gaui X3. That's a $350 kit. We've got a Blade 130X. We got all kinds of apparel. And all kinds of other stuff. It's all sitting out on the table over by the registration. Feel free to stop over and take a look. Thank you.
Whoops! Yeah, you're right.
Did you get it on film?
Yeah. And that zoomed in. It's hard to see with the LCD and stuff. But.
Oh.